Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change name in Sims mobile application. To change your name on the Sims mobile app, first of all go ahead and open up the game on your mobile device. Once you open the game, you will see this interface where you can see the white arrow button on the right corner of the screen. Simply click on it to expand up the menu where you'll need to select the gear button. Now under the gear button, scroll down and get to the change player name option and tap on it. Enter your player's name in the text box and click on OK. You will then be able to change the name of your player. That is how you change your name on Sims Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.